If you have an old lamp with a non-polarized cord, you should replace it for safety. A polarized cord will have a plug with one narrow blade and one wide blade. The narrow blade is hot, the wide blade is neutral. When you connect the hot wire to the brass screw terminal on the socket and the neutral wire to the silver screw, it's properly polarized. When the socket is turned off, there isn't a shock hazard when the bulb is removed. If the socket is wired incorrectly with the hot wire on the silver screw terminal, the socket will turn the bulb on and off, but when it's turned off and the bulb is removed, the inside of the socket is hot and it's a shock hazard, which could potentially be deadly in some conditions. On a lamp cord, the hot wire has insulation that is smooth. The neutral wire has insulation that is ribbed. You would connect the hot wire with smooth insulation to the brass screw and the neutral wire with the ribbed insulation to the silver screw. If you're having trouble telling which wire has the smooth insulation and which wire has the ribbed insulation, you can use a multimeter set to test for continuity. And I have this set so it makes a noise if there's continuity. You can take one probe on the narrow blade to test for the hot wire. Use the other probe and touch the wires, and you can easily find which one is the hot wire.